Here's how to make your TikTok account private. For that, you need to launch your TikTok application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. And once you've logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner, go to Settings and Privacy, and then go to Privacy option that is in the section of Account. Here you'll get the option of Private Account in the top of the screen. On the section of Discoverability, go ahead and enable this option, and with the private account, only the users that you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. By doing this, you'll be able to switch your account to personal account or a private account. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.